Gaganchukki in full bloom. Milky waters gushing can be witnessed as the Kaveri is in full spate in Karnataka. This has followed incessant rains fill the reservoirs. Waterfall is a sight to see as the upper reaches of the downpour is receiving a huge footfall of visitors. There are tourists visiting the spot, while there are frequent visitors too who love to visit the sacred river. The waterfall is in full force, which is attractive for every visitor, adding value to the money that is spent to reach the spot. Gaganchukki is easily accessible by road from both Bangalore and Mysore. Tour operators operate frequent trips to these water body here in Karnataka. July to September is ideal to visit as this will provide a mesmerizing experience under enchanting beauty. You have come to Gaganchukki here for the first time. You are coming, or you have come in the past?
No, I have come here for more than 4 to 5 times, and it has been a very much beautiful place where we can explore it, and then we can take a lot of pictures over here, and then we can have fun with the family members. It is a good experience for me that to come over here with the family and spend a lot of times with them.
Today you have come with whom?
Today I have come with my dad and my family members, where my cousin brother and my uncle.
Would you like to come here quite often?
Yeah, quite often. I think so this season, because of the rainy season, that we can see the beautiful view over here, and then we can take the beautiful pictures where we can attract the people while coming over here with this place. So that's where I inspire other people to come over here from that place, and then they can go and see this view where it is a very beautiful view over here, and then there is some other mosques also were available. So it has been a great people to enjoy for a lot of time with our family, like 1 or 2 hours of time.
Sir, you are at Gaganchukki.
Yeah.
With whom you have come here, sir?
I have come with my friends, college friends, study buddies.
How did you find being at this place?
Pardon?
How did you find yourself being at this place?
We know this actually.
You have been coming here?
Yeah, of course. Once every year we used to come here whenever there is huge rain and huge rainfall here.
What did you like the most here?
Pardon?
What did you like the most here?
Water, nature, and the people around here, everything.
Being in adobe of nature, how do you feel?
Of course. Pleasant, awesome to see the nature. Huge waterfall. Beautiful, really beautiful.
Thank you, sir.